Hey, what's up, Gomez gang? We are talking about Unit 5, Lesson 9, Exit Ticket. We're talking about sampling. We're talking about solving these correctly with the least amount of work as possible because it's not math, it's more reasoning. So the homecoming committee wants to estimate how many students will attend the homecoming dance without having to ask each individual student in the school if he or she plans to attend. Give Jamal and Courtney each recommendations to improve their sampling plans. So Jamal wants to have each teacher select one boy and one girl from their homeroom and ask them if they are planning to attend. There are 4 teachers in each grade in his school, and there are grades 5 through 8. So he will end up with a sample of 32 students. That is what we're looking at now. Right off the bat, I see some good things going on. I see some good things that he's asking all the grades in his school, which is great. He's being, not gender biased. He's not asking just boys or just girls. So he's being inclusive and asking both genders. However, there are some things incorrect or that could use some work. So for example, he's having teachers select kids, right? That could definitely lead to some bias. Kids might have, or teachers might have some favorites. Teachers might ask a kid who is more likely to participate in a dance, whatever the case may be. So the fact that he's allowing teachers to select the participants of this poll is not very helpful. It's actually not making it the survey random, which will make the data inaccurate. In addition to that, they are choosing one boy and one girl, which at first may seem like such a good thing, but the second one boy is picked, every other boy in that class cannot get chosen. Same goes for the women. So although it is inclusive and both genders are being represented, there is no opportunity for 2 boys or 2 girls to be selected. So if that's something that he wants to determine, that is another way that they can make it a little bit different. Now, for the second part of the question, Courtney, she uses a spinner with equal size sections labeled 0 through 9. So we have 10 sections, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on and so forth, to create student IDs numbers. Student ID numbers have 10 digits, so she will spin the spinner 10 times to select one student, and she will repeat this process 10 times to select 10 different students. So great, we have 10 different students. So a little bit less than the population that Jamal was hoping to ask, but 10 nonetheless. Each student ID is made up of 10 different digits. And each student has one that is unique to their own. The fact that Courtney is doing this process with 10 different numbers every single time allows every single student to have an option of being picked. So every single digit is 0 to 9. Obviously, you don't have to do this work. This is more reasoning that you can do in your head. But this allows the person who has the code or the student ID of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0 to be chosen, as well as the student who has 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to be chosen, or there's got to be a 0 somewhere. You get the point. So the fact that every single student can get chosen allows every student to have an equal likelihood of being chosen. There is not one student that is more favorable to come out than another. Therefore, it is as random as it can get. Now, although it is only 10 students, it is still the most accurate data that she can get because it is the most random. I hope that helps.